Hello dear students, I am Mr. Govindate, one of your maths teachers. Today we are going to begin with the topic in paper 1, Mathematical Logic. Now in this lecture we will discuss the concept logical statements. Now as you know, mathematics is an exact science, and so every statement in mathematical context must be precise. Mathematical proof requires reasoning, and reasoning involves logic. Thus, in terms of mathematics, only the sentences which have logic in them are to be called statements. Now let us see the definition of statement and discuss the concept in detail. So definition: a statement is declarative sentence which is either true or false, but not both simultaneously. Now this definition will be more clear when we will see the examples. Now statements are denoted by lowercase letters, for example P, Q, R, etc. Now each statement is either true or false. So if statement is true, then its truth value is capital T, and if a statement is false, then its truth value is capital F. Now note that the terms sentence and statement are different mathematically. Now let us see some examples. First one: every triangle has three sides. Now this is a statement in logic, and it is a true statement, and its truth value is capital T. Second one: pi is a rational number. Now this is also a logical sentence, but it is false sentence, so the truth value is capital F. Third one: 2 is a prime number. Now this is also a statement in logic, and it is true, so the truth value is capital T. Last one: the sun rises in the west. This is also a statement in logic, and you know that it is false, so the truth value is capital F. Now remember, not all the sentences will be statements in logic, such as imperative sentences, means command or request or instruction, then exclamatory sentences and interrogative sentences are not considered as statements in logic. Now see the examples. First one: please get me a glass of water. Now see, this is a request, means it is an imperative sentence, and we can't say that it is true or false, so it is not a statement in logic. Second one: what a beautiful flower it is. Now this is an exclamatory sentence, so it is also not a statement in logic. Third one: what is your name? Now this is an interrogative sentence, so it is also not a statement in logic. Now note, if sentence is not a statement, it has no truth value, neither T nor F. Now even open sentences are not logical statements. Now what is the meaning of open sentences? Let us first see what is meant by open sentences. Now definition: sentences in which the truth value varies as per the various conditions are called as open sentences. Now let us see some examples of open sentences. First one: x plus 5 is equal to 9. Now in this case, suppose if you take x is equal to 4, then it is true, but for other values of x, means other than 4, if you take any value, then it becomes false. So the truth value can vary according to the value of x, so that's why it is an open sentence. Second one: he is tall. Now in this sentence, he is not particularly mentioned, Also, the condition tall varies with the comparison of different persons. So that is, its truth value varies as per the situation. That's why it is an open sentence. Now third one, mathematics is an interesting subject. Now in this sentence, this sentence expresses subjective view or interest of someone, but its truth value can vary person to person. So these are some examples of open sentences. Remember, open sentences are not considered statements in logic. So I hope you have understood the concept statements in logic. Now this is an exercise for you. So for that, please refer to the PDF file sent to you on our WhatsApp group. Okay. Thank you.